Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are staying safe at home. Today, we are going to start a new chapter from English literature book, that is New Radiant Readers. Now, open the book to page number 51. Chapter 10, The Cruel King of the Jungle, Part 1. Children, I'll read out the entire chapter in front of you all. Then I'll give you a short summary about the chapter. So let's start with reading. Listen carefully to improve your pronunciation, especially of the new words. Chapter name is The Cruel King of the Jungle, Part 1. Long ago, there lived a cruel lion in a thick jungle. He called himself the King of the Jungle. He was a terrible and cunning king. When he saw any animal, small or big, moving about in the jungle, he came out of his hiding place. He pounced on the animal and killed him. So all the beasts of the jungle were frightened of the lion. Children, meaning of cruel is willfully causing pain or suffering to others. Meaning of cunning is deceitful. Meaning of pounced is spring or swoop suddenly so as to catch prey. Meaning of beast is an animal, especially a large or dangerous four-footed wild animal. Meaning of frightened is afraid. The poor animals at last met to find out some way of getting rid of the lion. Children, meaning of rid is make someone or something free. It was a big gathering of many animals. Gathering means meeting. There were cows and deer, bulls and buffaloes, goats and sheep. There were monkeys and mice, horses and foxes, snakes and squirrels, and jackals. Even many birds came to the meeting. There were crows and vultures, owls and kites, and many other birds. They began to discuss how to be free from their wicked and cruel ruler. Children, meaning of wicked is evil or morally wrong. Each animal said something about his own difficulties. The deer said, I can escape from the lion quite easily, for my feet can carry me away very swiftly. But the lion is so sly. Children, meaning of sly is cunning, that he catches us with his tricks. I agree, said the bull. He is a rogue. He pounces upon us cunningly. Otherwise, I could pierce my strong horns right through his body and throw him up in the air. Thus, one after another, the animals began to complain. At last, they shouted, the lion must be killed. Now, the jackal, who was listening to the animals, was most unhappy. He did not wish that the lion should be killed. After all, the jackal always got his food from the lion. Every animal knows that when the lion has finished his meal, he goes to sleep. The jackal then comes and eats up what is left. This jackal, therefore, wanted the lion to live. So he quickly slipped out of the meeting. The next speaker at the meeting was the fox. My dear friends, he said, let us be brave. We all have to die once. Why should we live in fear? I have a plan. Shall we decide to send one animal to the lion every day as his meal? The rest of us can then live peacefully. Why? That's a wonderful plan, said the crow. Let's begin with you, Mr. Fox. The fox got frightened on hearing this, but he said coolly, very well, Mr. Crow. I agree to be the first if you will be the next. The animals had a hearty laugh at the crow. The wise owl, however, said, stop laughing. Brother Fox has given us a good plan. We shall choose one of us by lot each day, and that animal will go to the lion to become his meal. But will the lion agree? Asked the bull, and the vulture replied, I am sure he will. I shall fly to him tomorrow and tell him of our plan. Now children, come to the explanation of chapter. Long ago, there lived a lion in the jungle. He called himself King of the Jungle. Now children, how was the lion? He was very powerful and strong, and all the animals of the jungle feared him. Feared him means scared him. When he saw any animal, he ate it, whether big or small. He came out of his hiding place and pounced on it. Look at this picture, children. Children, meaning of pounced is spring suddenly to catch prey and killed it. After that, all the beasts of the jungle were frightened. So all the animals, whether big or small, was afraid from the lion. As all the animals were scared of him and were worried about the jungle, that this way no other animal will be left in the jungle, as the lion killed more and more animals. Now children, in the second paragraph, so the other animals decided to meet and hold the meeting in order to solve this problem. So children, what was the problem? The problem was the cruel lion. So there many animals came in that big gathering. The animals who came in the gathering were cows, bulls, buffaloes, goats and sheep, monkeys and mice, and so on. Even so many birds came in the gathering, and they began to discuss how they would be free from this cruel ruler. Children, cruel ruler here means the lion. Now in the third paragraph, each animal said about their difficulty. Deer said, I could escape from the lion because my feet can carry me very swiftly, but the lion is so sly. She said that the lion was very cunning and deceitful nature. He could catch his prey with his trick. I agree, said the bull. The bull also agreed with the deer. He is a rogue. Children, meaning of rogue is a dishonest person. He said that he can pierce the lion's skin with his horns and throw him in the air. But lion is very cunning. So one by one all the animals complained about the lion. At last all of them shouted that we should kill the lion. Now in the fourth paragraph, the jackal was listening to the animals and he was unhappy because he did not want that the lion should be killed, because the jackal got the food from the lion only. Every animal knows that when the lion finishes his meal, he goes to sleep. Then the jackal comes and eat what was left from that food. The jackal therefore did not want that the lion should be killed, as he wanted that the lion should be alive, because he got the food from the lion. So he left out the meeting. In the fifth paragraph, the next speaker was Fox. He said, "Be brave, we all have to die once. I have a plan." So Fox suggested that one animal will go to the lion at his food every day. This was sad choice for the animals, but they have no other option. But they all agreed with the proposal. Then Bull said that will the lion agree that sending one animal every day as his meal? So Vulture replied, "I am 100% sure that the lion will agree. By this and our decision, then the vulture said, I will fly tomorrow to him and I will tell the lion about our plan, that every day we will send one animal to you as your food." Now children, that's all. So children, there is an end of chapter The Cruel King of the Jungle part 1. And second part of this chapter I will explain you in my next video. So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter very nicely. Thank you.